previous episode of the Roy Garage, we put a 5.3 Vortec into this 2002 Dodge Ram chassis. So if you could imagine, the power steering hoses don't quite match up. Well, today, we're gonna fix that.
Let's get started.
On the high pressure side, we went ahead and got some Dash 6 AN power steering hose fittings, along with the new hydraulic hose with the 90-degree swivel on one end. On the low pressure side, we have some new hoses, a couple hose clamps, and a few sheet metal screws to relocate our power steering radiator. First, we're going to attack our high pressure side. We're going to place our fittings on our power steering pump and our power steering box with the new ones. Can you get it back there? This O-ring on this old one looks like crap.
It doesn't look like an O-ring.
No, it doesn't. Looks like an uh-oh ring. Whenever you see an uh-oh ring, make sure to replace it. Good hose design, you have a 90 on one end and a straight on the other. If you do put a 90 on the other end, make sure you have a swivel. Makes it a little easier for install. Otherwise, if your 90s are fixed, you're going to end up fighting with your hose. Nobody wants to fight with their hose. One nice thing about these AN lines is their compression fit, so you don't have to worry about any Teflon or anything like that. Hey, reach it, man. Don't, make sure this isn't in here. This is my wife's. No, this is way too tall now. Shish kebabs. Luckily, I can switch the height. It's a really nice clean side.
I'm telling you.
I really like that right there. The trick is going to be tightening it so it stays like that. That's good, huh? Jack your truck up. Put big tires on it. It'll look great. And you can barely reach in the engine compartment. Boy, you would think that's pretty nice and tight.
We'll find out when you get the engine started.
I really like this loop right here because the steering line is going to go right here. And it's going to clear really nice. All right, high pressure side done. Now we're going to go to the low pressure side. First thing we're going to do is remount our power steering radiator, which we removed off in order to fit our radiator bracket onto this chassis. I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a really nice Champion radiator in this truck. Alright, so this isn't necessarily a spot that's going to get a lot of airflow. However, the spot this radiator was initially mounted was actually right behind this brace, just a little bit higher. So I'm not really too concerned. Unfortunately, Lee, I think I have to mount it as far over that way as I can so I can still get a socket on this. You know what I'm saying? Got myself a self-tapping sheet metal screw. Screw. I can find the hole. Hey! There we go. Kind of like that spot. Let me grab my other deal dinger here. There she is. She's mounted. Looking good. Now, this hose isn't going to reach. So, we're going to take this one off and we're going to replace it. This hose, I really like where it's at. So I don't think we're going to touch that one. Let's get this one off. Get our new hose up here. Put it on. Woo! Oh, shish kebabs. There we go. Shish kebabs. All right. How easy is this gonna come off here? Not that easy.
You just grab a pliers and twist on it. You're at that.
Well, this sucks. Come off. I don't know what I could need.
Here's a knife. Don't cut yourself. I'm gonna keep my distance.
Look at that. I kind of bent this straight a little bit. Kind of like that. Hopefully I didn't break it. I don't think I did. Oh, Lee, hold on, buddy. Give me a hose clamp, could you? Guys, don't forget to put your hose clamps on before you connect both sides. You got another one, Lee? Cheap. All right, let's see what we got here. I like right there. Because it's not rubbing it. It's not hitting that flange down there.
Yeah, it's not too close to this. You can probably zip tie them together right there.
So then you cut right here. She's going. Oh yeah, get on there. Can you at least see it? Lee. Ah. All right. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. Yeah, no, I think we routed that perfectly. All right, there we go. If you want to watch us test fit and install this cab on this chassis, click the video in the upper right-hand corner. If you enjoy watching this project, make sure you click on the playlist in the upper left-hand corner. Be sure to like and subscribe to follow along.